Hi guys, it's Melie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag slash purse. So what I just carry on the daily. I usually switch from bag to bag because either I'm wearing a nude bag or a black bag. It's one or the other. It's never in between. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. And without further ado, let's just get started. So first off, my bag details is from Melie Bianco. I do have a coupon code for you guys and I'll link it down below or I'll put it on the screen. And it is new50 and you get 50% off your first purchase. And I love the size. It's like a perfect medium-sized bag rather than like a big tote bag. Really like the vegan material that they use, so it's not real leather, and I just love the gold detailing on the top and the adjustable strap, and you could also just take it off if you don't want the long strap. But anyway, let's just get started and going inside my purse. So just to start off with the back, there is a back pocket, and in here is just my headphones because I always take the tea literally every day, so I just need some quiet time and just listening to some tunes. It just has a big compartment in the middle and it just has all my stuff in there. So the first thing I'm grabbing is my makeup bag. I literally just have all lippies in here, and pretty sure this was also in my other what's in my bag video. But I have eye drops, chapstick, medicine, and countless lippies, two new makeup goodies that I just got from Octoly. So BECCA Cosmetics and AMOREPACIFIC gifted me these. So this one is the BECCA Reset and Refresh Powder. It literally cools your face when you apply it. I did get the shade Golden Bronze. The effect when you put it on is like super cooling. It's like really magical, but it has pretty great like consistency. It's just the fact that it's super bronze on me. I wish they had translucent available for me to order, but they did run out, so I just kind of got this. But I feel like this will be super helpful in the summer because I plan on getting my tan back. And then I have the AMOREPACIFIC Cushion Foundation. It is the Color Control Cushion Compact Broad Spectrum in SPF 50, shade 208, so it's the medium yellow, but unfortunately it's super dark on me still. But it has the like a cushion on the front, and they also provide you an extra cushion just in case. But it just opens up like this. I do keep this because of the mirror, because it's so nice. Like it's the perfect compact mirror that you need, so I just kind of keep it for the mirror as of right now. But so those are the two new goodies that I got from Octoly family. So the next thing, FIRMOO glasses that I wear on the daily. If I'm not wearing my contacts, I'm wearing my FIRMOO glasses like every day, almost every day. But yeah, I have a coupon code down below if you guys are interested in getting a pair of glasses. But I'll have all the information of my glasses down below. I did mention it on my three previous videos ago, so check that one out. The next thing that I got is from the pocket of my bag, and it is my keys. It is just a Louis Vuitton key holder, but the new feature is that it has this tile tracker, and I did get 4 of these for my boyfriend. I just kind of took one from him because I did get mine. It was like a big bundle sale, but all you need is the tile app, and right now I have the keys on. I think this is not sponsored, by the way. I just love this app because I am so afraid to lose my keys because this is basically my wallet as well, as you can see. just put all of my cards in here. I'll show you guys a demo. Turn on Bluetooth, duh. But it says find right here, and then you'll hear the little ring. And then you just click the button and then it just stops. But it's really convenient. And then if you lost your phone, you just double click this and then it'll notify you on your phone. But if you lost your phone but you do have your wallet or keys, you just press this button and then your phone will definitely ring. Here's a little demo. And then just turns on. And how freaking magical is that? So you can never lose your phone, wallet, or keys with Tile app. Hashtag not sponsored. The next items is obviously my bullet journal tools. So Crayola Super Tip markers, amazing. Handy dandy pencil pouch that literally holds all of my pencils and pens and brush pens. So yeah, that's all of that. And speaking of my bullet journal, here is mine right now. It is the Le Moment bullet journal in coral, and it just says the way we think in the front. I got this from Mercari, the shopping, selling, swapping app, and it's that purple icon. So I shop there for literally everything, not just clothes, but like stationery. You guys have been watching my recent videos. I have been doing a Game of Thrones theme, hence the Khaleesi shirt that I'm wearing right now. And right now, this was the Arya / Stark page, my Targaryen page with Daenerys, and then for next week is going to be Baratheon. So I just drew a cute little deer and antlers as like dividers, and then just a little scroll for like my weekly hour timesheet, which I like to do frequently. Just drew a cute little crown on the top, and then the sigil of Baratheon that's comparable to the Stark one from previous. So I wasn't a big fan of this page, so that's why I didn't make a dedicated video for this one. So not my favorite, but that's literally everything in my bag. I love the polka dots inside. It's like super feminine, but it's super cute. I do have a back pocket. I usually put like my flash drives and SD cards in there with a little holder, and then I just have these two pockets where I put my keys and my glasses in there. So that is what's in my bag. I've been actually styling this very girly recently. I've been wearing it with just like anything and everything. I actually did just style this with some cute dresses that I got from SHEIN. So just a super short mention. This one is just a cute short cherry dress, and it's the only bad thing about it is just that it's super translucent, that it's like one layer only. So I would definitely wear like something under it. And it has an open back on the back. But it's super cute, it's super flowy. It was super long on me, so I had to cut like 5 inches off. I did want to keep that like midi flowy summer dress. So yeah, this one is super cute and it definitely matches the nude. Definitely check out shein.com. But yeah, that's everything in my what's in my bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and see you next video. Bye!